Hello and welcome to our Studio tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to extract data from an external file and do the manipulations using our Studio. First we have to set the working directory. For that we can use setwd command and we have to copy the directory path. You can just copy it here and paste it. And then we have to change the direction of these slashes and then we can run it. So the working directory has been set, and then we have to take a variable called data and we can read data from the respected file to this variable called data. So you have to give the file name with the extension and then you have to run it. So in my file you can see there are three columns, namely x1, x2 and x3. We have to replace x1, x2 and x3 with the names age, gender and accommodation. It can be done by this command using a vector C, and then you can see in the second column, the x2 column, we can see the numbers 1 and 2. So we are going to replace that 1 and 2 with male and female. So we have the word gender here and the column name should come after the $sign, and then the factor keyword here, and data again the $sign gender 1, 2, and the respected names comes here, male and female, and you have to run it. And like the above one, we can do it to the accommodation also, and then after that we have to attach this data. And so you can see the data just by typing word data and run it. So you can see our new tables with the words male, female and the other accommodation words as well. And then we can take frequency tables out of the table here in the console. For that you have to write this code, and gender frequencies are given according to male and female. And in the accommodation you also can take the count according to these three: home, boarded and lodging. And creating pie charts, to do that we have to use the pie keyword and gender.frequency, the one we used above, and the caption of the pie chart, and run it. Run it, and you can see the pie chart here, and also the pie chart for accommodation, same. And using bar charts, we have to give the keyword bar plot and the caption bar chart for gender and ylab frequency and bar chart. You can see the bar chart here, and again the bar chart for accommodation. Let's run it. And two-way frequency table, here we are considering two factors, gender and accommodation, and you are getting a two-way frequency table. You can see it here, male and female, and the accommodation type. And stack bar chart can be used to represent this data like this. You can see the chart here.